Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. My wife purchased some of the shirts. That's a custom print from Etsy, but some of the seller messed up her order. It's supposed to be in Vietnamese on both sides, but somehow she make the t-shirt only on one side. So you know how you have grandparents on the father's side and grandparents on the mother's side in Vietnamese. So hopefully this time she got the correct order. So by the way, the seller sent this out for free for the replacement, and she get to keep the other two. And now this one is the size large. There you go. Just a short clip of the video. Hopefully the order is correct. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.